Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.80 by 2030. Market investigators accept die could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 79 cents. Die presentation. DAI has entered the crypto market as an exceptional and important token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. Assuming that you're interested about the cost of DAI, look no further. In this DAI cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of DAI, from the ongoing cost to greatest value, DAI cost today, normal estimate cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether DAI is probably going to be a wise speculation for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed DAI cost gauge. What is DAI? DAI is a digital money resource sent off as the very first insurance-supported, decentralized digital currency. DAI is unique in relation to different monetary forms in the crypto market, not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. DAI endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have a fundamentally lower financing cost than customary unstable credits, as banks can seize and sell resources in the event that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing brilliant agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the producer convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to create new DAI tokens as credits. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's stockpile can't be changed by any gatherings. A proper stock is kept up with through a mind-boggling arrangement of shrewd agreements, which answer ongoing business sector changes and the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was formally sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The pioneer behind Creator Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the task proposing to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. The DAI token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and DAI. DAI's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it exceptional from other traditional digital currencies. While customary crypto costs are exceptionally unpredictable, DAI's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of DAI ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. Be that as it may, this doesn't necessarily in all cases occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. Be that as it may, when contrasted in other digital forms of money, DAI's worth is fundamentally less unpredictable. This component of DAI's cost is fundamental to consider while making a DAI cost forecast. DAI specialized examination. Any DAI cost expectation needs to consider the exceptional position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital currencies, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move, yet what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown strong fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other digital currencies, yet stays away from the cost unpredictability. An intrinsic gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is a significant token for making a safe speculation and keeping away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. With regards to whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is no right response. The coin's cost can changes, yet its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that preferably, DAI's cost shouldn't vary a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. Notwithstanding, DAI's cost could in any case vacillate, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own examination prior to settling on a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is at present worth 99 cents USD. DAI has moved 0.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $374,533,098. DAI is at present position 13 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $6,787,043,130 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI value forecast 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.50. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI value expectation 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the DAI's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI value expectation 2025. Assuming DAI effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a greatest value worth of $5.50. DAI value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. In the event that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI value forecast 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2028. DAI value forecast 2029. By 2029, DAI will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications